Hello and welcome back to a Pixify tutorial. Today we'll be creating this cool slice text effect in Canva. This effect is very quick and simple and can be done in the free version of Canva. Okay, let's jump straight into it. Firstly, we'll spell out a word by going to text and clicking on add a heading. Let's spell out the word slice. Now we'll change the text font to something a little bit bold, such as League Spartan. To increase the size of the text, click and hold the corner and we'll drag it up. Now we'll change the colour of the font to something bright, such as this orange. We'll now download the text to turn it into an image. Once the image is downloaded, we'll re-upload it by dragging it into Canva. Now just open up a fresh Canva slide and drag the image across. We'll need to create another copy of the image by duplicating it. Now to create the slice effect, we'll need to create two halves of this image. By dragging one of the images up and one of the images down, we'll crop it into two halves of the word slice. We'll move the bottom image slightly to the side to make it look like it's separated. To finish this off, we'll need to add a shadow. Go to Element and search for shadow frames. We'll select this shadow frame, but we will only need part of the image. To crop the image, simply drag the top of it right down until you just leave a little shadow line. Now simply place the shadow line along the middle of the two halves. This looks pretty good, but I'll just make a couple of minor adjustments. And here is the final result. We really hope you enjoyed this really quick and simple tutorial. If you enjoyed following along, make sure to subscribe as we release new videos weekly. Thank you so much for watching and we can't wait to see you in our next tutorial.